In our rapidly evolving modern world, the desire to secure a high-income job is a shared aspiration among many individuals. While the traditional route of obtaining a 4-year college education remains a valid and respected path, it's essential to recognize that it's not the exclusive route to a financially rewarding career. Short-term courses have gained remarkable popularity due to their ability to quickly impart specialized skills, often leading to lucrative job opportunities. Here are the 10 short-term courses that hold the potential to pave the way for a fulfilling and financially prosperous career. Data science and analytics. In the age of big data, organizations are on constant lookout for professionals who possess the capability to analyze and interpret data, enabling them to make informed decisions. Short-term courses in data science and analytics have been crafted to provide the essential skills required for working with data, covering a wide spectrum of tasks from data cleaning and visualization to advanced machine learning techniques. The demand for data scientists is substantial, resulting in impressive earning potential in the data-driven era. Digital marketing. With the growing reliance on the internet for marketing efforts, digital marketing has emerged as a highly profitable field. Short courses in digital marketing encompass vital subjects such as SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and online advertising. Proficient digital marketers are indispensable for companies looking to expand their online presence and can command competitive remuneration. Cybersecurity. In a landscape where cyber threats continually evolve, the demand for cybersecurity professionals remain robust. Short-term courses in cybersecurity are thoughtfully designed to educate individuals in the art of safeguarding computer systems and networks against cyber attacks. Cybersecurity experts are highly sought after, and their salaries reflect the pivotal role they play in protecting sensitive data. Project management. Effective project management is paramount for organizations to achieve their goals efficiently. Short courses in project management equip students with the skill needed to plan, execute, and oversee projects successfully. Project managers are well compensated for their ability to deliver projects on time and within budget. Web development. The realm of web development is in a constant state of evolution, and short-term courses are invaluable for staying updated with the latest technologies. Gaining proficiently in web development languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript can open doors to high-paying opportunities in the tech industry. Graphic design. Creative individuals can harness their thoughts through short courses in graphic design. Learning how to use design software and create visually captivating content can unlock opportunities in advertising agencies, design films, and marketing departments, often accompanied by lucrative compensation packages. Certified nursing assistant. Healthcare is a field that continually requires skilled professionals. Becoming a certified nursing assistant through a short-term course can serve as a stepping stone to a rewarding healthcare career. Certified nursing assistants play a vital role in assisting nurses and doctors in patient care, and they can earn competitive salaries. Welding. Proficient welders are in demand across various industries, including construction, manufacturing, and shipbuilding. Short-term welding courses provide individuals with the necessary techniques and safety protocols for this hands-on profession. Welders can enjoy high hourly wages and job stability. Commercial driving. The transportation industry is another sector where short-term training can lead to well-paying jobs. Courses for commercial driving licenses prepare individuals to become truck drivers. Long-haul truckers in particular can secure substantial salaries due to the persistent demand for good transportation. Digital photography. For those with a passion of photography, short courses in digital photography can transform a hobby into a high-earning career. Learning how to capture stunning images and effectively market one's skills can lead to opportunities in wedding photography, fashion photography, and more often accompanied by lucrative compensation. The pursuit of a high-paying job doesn't necessarily entail a prolonged educational journey. Short-term courses offer a practical and expeditious means of acquiring specialized skills that are in high demand in today's job market. Whether one's interests lie in data science, digital marketing, cybersecurity, or any other fields that we have discussed, these courses provide pathways to lucrative career prospects. By seizing the opportunities presented by these courses, individuals can embark on a journey towards both professional fulfillment and financial success in our dynamic contemporary world. What are your thoughts? Let's have a conversation. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.